Hey guys, welcome to Reviewer Family. We received this product to test and try. Let's explore together so it helps in your buying decision.
Start with the unboxing. It's a USB-C rechargeable lithium ion batteries for the C batteries. So let me just open the box. So the four batteries, as you can see it here. So they are the C batteries with the micro USB-C charger, lightweight. So you don't need a specific charger for it, you just need the micro USB-C cables where you can charge. So they're supplied with a micro USB-C cable which can charge these all four batteries together. So that's a cool thing that you can charge all the four batteries together with a single cable. You can take this cable anywhere with you with charging, and you don't need to have a specific charger. So these USB-C charging batteries are really helpful, and then you see like with the USB, so have the indicator as well, like the green indicator showing like it start charging. So once fully charged, I can just put it in a toy just to see like how is the fitting and it's working. So they are pretty good, lightweight, good charging cable batteries, and with this USB, so I fit in this toy. This fits really well, and then once I start, this work well as well.